Hey, what's up, guys? This is Tyrone Foster. This is your tip of the day, second day. What do you do after you win? What's the second thing you do after you win? All right, so we already went over the first one. Celebrate a little bit. Now it's back to the playing field. Now you are a brand new trader. You're going to go in the market with the same mentality that you went in yesterday, but with not the same expectation. You're looking for the same thing. You're looking for the same setup. You're looking for the same entry. You're looking for the same exit. You're going to stay consistent with just those three things: the signature trade, signature entry, and the signature exit. You're going to do the same thing again with no emotions. Now, if you end up losing this trade, it's okay because you are already in profit. What has happened yesterday doesn't matter anymore. So even whether in your profit or not, it still doesn't matter anymore. But mentally, you're still in profit. Let's just say for some reason you lost the first trade. It's okay because what happened it's over. This is a whole new day, whole new trade. The second thing I want you to do is I want you to take a breather. You are working on building you. You are working on becoming a better you. You're not working on becoming rich tomorrow. You're working on becoming great and proficient at this skill. This is what we're supposed to do on the second. This is the second. What you do after you, of course, win.